Saturday the 11th of February, and I thought I'd just sit in the back window of the dining room and watch the birds and take some video. The chickadees are all around, and a few other birds come as well, like the blue jay, and the nuthatch will be along shortly. These are all shot with my older, there's the nuthatch, a little guy, and it's shot with an old Nikon P510, which is a bridge camera, older one. It's sometimes some people call it a prosumer, but I like it. It's light and it has some good features. The batteries, though, I found today are not lasting very long. There's a little hairy woodpecker that was just on the feeder, and now he's sitting on a branch in the lilac bush. The little hairy comes all the time. On the camera, I'm going to buy a couple more third-party batteries. They last me a couple of years, but when I can get two of them for $12 versus buying a brand name one for $50, well, you can tell which way I'm going to go. A lot of chickadees. Chickadees are having a lot of fun. That's taken off of our west deck, and that's the lake that we overlook. A lot nicer looking than sitting in a city looking out at dirty snow. I think I see some ice fishermen across through that opening on the ice on the far shore. I'll zoom in there in a few minutes. Yeah, they got their ATVs out. And this is our little mama. We call her little mama because when she was pregnant, she'd come and beg for food. She's always had those white spots on her back. And when we go out and call, Mama, Mama, she comes running for food. We always look for her because she's getting old. She hasn't had litters in a couple of years, but for a while she was having multiple litters every year. So we would feed her. And she's still around, going strong. These feeders are filled with black oil sunflower seed. And that's the hairy, and he loves to hang on the bottom. Even if this feeder's full, he'll hang on the bottom.